Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of layout on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of layout on Messenger app, you will click on settings. In the first page you can click on Messenger app, you will click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will click on storage and then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.